PeoplePerHour is an online freelancing platform that focuses on connecting businesses or clients with freelancers offering various services. It operates similarly to other freelance marketplaces but has a specific emphasis on web projects such as web development, design, marketing, writing, and administrative tasks. Key features of PeoplePerHour include project listings, hourlies, freelancer profiles, payment protection, workstream collaboration, and rating and review system. Clients post job listings outlining their project requirements, and freelancers bid on these projects by submitting proposals. Freelancers can offer fixed-price services known as hourlies, which are predefined tasks or services that clients can directly purchase. Freelancers create profiles showcasing their skills, expertise, work history, portfolios, and hourlies they offer. PeoplePerHour offers payment protection for both clients and freelancers by using an escrow system where funds are held until the project is completed satisfactorily. The platform provides tools for communication, file sharing, and milestone tracking to facilitate collaboration between freelancers and clients. Both clients and freelancers can leave reviews and ratings based on their experiences, contributing to the credibility of profiles. PeoplePerHour aims to streamline the process of finding freelancers for specific tasks or projects while providing a platform for freelancers to showcase their skills and expertise to a wide range of potential clients. It's popular among freelancers offering services in digital and web-related fields due to its focus on such projects.